Welcome to today's tutorial on building a login page using React. In our connected world, user authentication has become a critical aspect of web development. Whether it's logging into your favorite social media platform or accessing secure banking services, login pages serve as the vital gateway to personalized user experiences. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can harness the power of React, a popular JavaScript library, to create a robust and user-friendly login page. We'll cover fundamental concepts, practical applications, and even tackle some of the common challenges developers face when implementing authentication systems. So, let's embark on this journey to enhance your development skills and build a secure, efficient entry point for your applications. To understand the process of building a login page with React, we need to delve into some core concepts of this powerful library. React is built around the idea of components, self-contained units of code that manage their own state and can be composed to form complex user interfaces. When creating a login page, these components are typically responsible for handling user input, validating data, and managing state to reflect changes as users interact with the form. One of the key tools React provides for state management is the useState hook. This hook allows us to create state variables within our functional components, making it easier to track input values for username and password fields. Handling events is another critical aspect. React lets you attach event handlers to form elements to capture user actions, such as clicking the submit button or pressing enter. This event-driven approach not only makes our applications more interactive, but also enhances the overall user experience by providing immediate feedback. Let's dive into a practical code example to see how these concepts come together. We'll be focusing on the implementation of our login form component in React. This component will manage input states, handle form submission, and provide feedback to the user. Take a look at the following code. Now, let's walk through a demonstration to see our login page in action. Imagine navigating to your newly created login page. As the page loads, you see a simple form asking for your username and password. You enter your credentials, let's say testassur and test password, and hit the login button. Behind the scenes, the form data is being captured, and an API call is made to verify your credentials. If there's an error, such as an incorrect password, a message appears, informing you of the issue and prompting you to try again. This immediate feedback is crucial in guiding users and ensuring a smooth login experience. Once you successfully log in, a welcoming message greets you, confirming that you're now authenticated and ready to explore the app. Congratulations on making it through this comprehensive tutorial on building a login page with React. We've covered essential concepts like component-based architecture, state management with hooks, and event handling. You've seen how practical applications of these concepts can create a seamless user experience, and we addressed common challenges such as error handling and security considerations. As you continue your development journey, remember that building robust authentication systems is not just about writing code. It's about creating secure, efficient, and user-friendly interfaces that empower users to engage with your applications confidently. Keep experimenting with these concepts, explore further integrations with backend services, and continue honing your skills in the ever-evolving landscape of web development. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding.